Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report chart analysis videos on Thursday the 26th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antip Markets. Let's look at sterling dollar now, and in the wake of the GDP data for the UK, we've seen a bit of a correction. The GDP data for the UK just slightly missed expectations actually. On the quarter-on-quarter basis it was still 0.4%, but on the year-on-year basis it was plus 2.0, which was below the 2.1% expected, and the initial reaction was mildly sort of mixed. But then, as traders have sort of digested the data, it started to sort of sell off a little bit, and we're now trading around the day low. We've sort of moved towards what looks to be on the hourly chart anyway, a bit of a corrective move, because we've seen a move underneath 46.80. Which is sort of a mild low from yesterday, but look at these momentum indicators. That hourly is now below 60 on the RSI. MACD lines look to be sort of turning a bit more corrective as well, and the stochastics are looking a bit corrective. So it looks like we're sort of pulling back into the band of support. That band of support comes at 46.80, sorry, 46.60, which was that 19th of May high, and that sort of gives you about 100 ticks worth of support. Between sort of 45.60 and 46.60, and it looks like we're sort of coming back towards that. But I think on the daily chart you'd still say that we're still pretty positive, because you've broken out above that 46.60 reaction high, and it's looking stronger in terms of having broken that downtrend that sort of dates back to August last year, now confirming the break of that downtrend, and the momentum indicators on the daily chart are more positive as well. So I think that would suggest that that corrections are going to be bought into, and we could see a bit of a near-term correction back into that 45.60 to 46.60 band of support. But I think ultimately that would probably prove to be another chance to buy. So any sort of near-term weakness, I still think, is going to produce a buying opportunity on this cable chart, because it looks pretty positive, and I think that the market is still sort of looking to reprice for the weakness that we saw on the sort of uncertainty of Brexit. Seems to be beginning to unwind, with the polls moving towards Remain. But still, the volatility could remain, certainly with any sort of Leave Camp victory polls coming out. Certainly, if that was a telephone poll and it sort of pointed a bit more towards a close run thing, maybe that cable would fall away again. But for now, certainly technically we're still seeing some positive moves on cable, and little corrections are being bought into. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.